This video is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Thumbnails are created to catch attention and may not accurately represent the actual content of the video. The content presented includes opinions and information gathered from public sources, food safety research, and online discussions. We do not claim full accuracy. Please verify all information independently. This video does not intend to target, defame, or disrespect any individual, brand, or organization. I am not a licensed food safety professional or nutritionist. Always do your own research and use your own judgment regarding food safety. The views expressed here are my own and do not constitute professional advice. This content is meant to spark thoughtful reflection, not to tell you what is right or wrong. Please watch with an open mind. Thank you for being part of our prepping family. I want to tell you something that surprises almost everyone who hears it for the first time. That expiration date printed on most of the food in your pantry right now. In the United States, for the vast majority of products, it isn't actually regulated by the federal government. It's not a safety deadline. It's a manufacturer's suggestion about peak quality. And in most cases, the food remains completely safe to eat long after that date. I know that sounds surprising, maybe even a little unsettling if you've been throwing away perfectly good food for years based on a date stamped on a package. Today, I'm going to walk you through the real shelf life of the food sitting in your pantry right now, and it's going to change how you think about your food storage forever. Here's something most people don't realize: expiration date. Best by, sell by, and use by are 4 different labels with 4 different meanings, and almost nobody knows the difference. Sell by is for the store, telling them when to stop displaying the product, not a safety cutoff for you. Best by or best before refers to peak flavor and quality, not safety. The food is very likely still perfectly good after this date. Used by is the closest to an actual safety recommendation, and it's usually still conservative. Only infant formula has a federally regulated expiration date in the United States. Everything else is manufacturer discretion. Understanding this single fact could save the average household hundreds of dollars a year in food thrown away unnecessarily, and radically change how confident you feel about your prepper pantry. The indefinite shelf life category. Some foods stored properly essentially never go bad in a meaningful sense. White rice, stored in an airtight container away from moisture, lasts 25 to 30 years. Honey has been found still edible in ancient Egyptian tombs. It may crystallize over time, but gently warming it restores its texture. It essentially never spoils. Sugar and salt, both are natural preservatives themselves, and kept dry, last indefinitely. Dried beans, properly stored, last 20 to 30 years, though they become harder to soften over very long periods and may require longer cooking times. These 4 items alone form an incredible foundation for a pantry that will outlast almost any realistic emergency scenario. The 10 to 25 year category. Pasta, stored in a sealed container, typically lasts 20 to 30 years, though quality may decline slightly over the very long term. Rolled oats, 10 to 20 years when properly sealed with oxygen absorbers. Powdered milk, 20 years when stored correctly in nitrogen flush packaging. Freeze-dried foods. Commercially packaged freeze-dried meals routinely carry 25-year shelf life ratings because the freeze-drying process removes the moisture that bacteria and mold need to grow. The 2 to 10 year category, where most pantries live, canned vegetables and fruits. Commercially canned goods are typically safe 2 to 5 years past their printed date, sometimes longer, as long as the can shows no signs of damage, bulging, or rust. Canned meats and fish, similarly safe 2 to 5 years past date if the can is intact. Peanut butter, unopened, lasts 2 years past the printed date reliably. Cooking oils vary by type. Vegetable and canola oil lasts 1 to 2 years. Olive oil stored in a dark, cool place can last even longer. This is the category where the vast majority of a typical prepper pantry actually lives. And it's the category where the sell-by date confusion causes the most unnecessary waste. How to actually tell if food has gone bad. Instead of relying purely on a printed date, learn to evaluate food directly. For canned goods, check the can itself before checking the date. Bulging, dents near seams, rust, or leakage are the real red flags, not the date. A can with none of these signs, even years past its date, is very likely still safe. For dry goods, check for moisture, insect activity, or off smells. Dry rice, beans, and pasta that look and smell normal are almost always still safe regardless of date. For anything in doubt, the smell test and visual inspection tell you far more than a printed date ever will. If something smells off, looks discolored, or has visible mold, discard it regardless of date. If it looks and smells normal and the date alone is not a reason to throw it away. How to extend shelf life even further. Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers dramatically extend the shelf life of dry goods by removing the oxygen that degrades food and allows pest activity. Vacuum sealing removes air exposure for a wide range of dry and even some wet goods, extending freshness significantly. Cool, dark, dry storage is the single biggest factor in extending shelf life across every category. Heat is the primary enemy. For every 18 degrees Celsius increase in storage temperature, shelf life can be cut roughly in half. Proper container choice, the food-grade plastic buckets, glass jars, or Mylar bags, protects against the moisture and pests that cause the vast majority of real food spoilage. Here's your action step this week. Go through your pantry and actually inspect. Don't just read dates. Pick up every can, check for bulging, rust, and damage. Pick up your dry goods. Check for moisture or pest activity. You will likely find that far more of your food is still perfectly good than you assumed based on printed dates alone. And that knowledge alone might just change how much confidence you have in the pantry you've already built. Understanding real shelf life isn't just a money-saving tip. It's a fundamental piece of preparedness knowledge that changes how you build, rotate, and trust your food storage. The dates on your packages are guidelines, not deadlines. Your own inspection, your eyes, your nose, your judgment is the real safety check. Trust your pantry. You've built it well. Stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll see you in the next video.